Hello and welcome to Easy Projects. So here's the new lab. Now I got some lights installed and I got cleaned up a bit, and I installed some tool holders on the wall. I still need to figure out to put some shelves up on the wall here. Initially I wanted a large shelf going basically in the entire length of the table and 40 centimeters deep. But when I try to hold it up against the wall there, it just seems too big and it seems to take up too much of the bench area, and I really just prefer to have a table and maybe some smaller shelves. I thought about making a small, either a shelf or like a box or something to put in the far corner to have the power supply and the scope up on that. So I took the time to reorganize all my components also. So this is pretty much all the components that I have. I still have the small drawer cabinets which I had in the old lab with resistors and stuff. So basically I just put everything in plastic boxes and I labeled them all. And this part here I still need to organize some things, but it's mostly in the place where I want it. So I bought a solar panel also some months ago, just to play around with it. It's 100 watt as far as I remember. And I got some LED lights installed in the lab here. They're pretty good, like 150 centimeter strips, and they consume 24 watts. The only downside is that it's 6500 Kelvin. I would prefer a little bit lower. It's getting kinda to the blue side, but for the money I think it's really good. So the ones I installed are similar to these, except this is a 20 watt one. It's slightly shorter and they are really not expensive. I paid like $100 for 5 of them, 3 long ones and 2 shorter ones. So I bought 5 of them because I was not really sure how much light they would put out. But I ended up only installing 3 because with this setup I have 1300 lux on the tabletop in the middle here, and all the way to the side here I still have 1000, and so the other side it's just below 1000. So actually it's more light than I had before. Before I had 4 fluorescent tubes in the ceiling and an extra one to the side to fill a bit of light into the corner. In total I think there was 160 watts worth of light in there, and in this room I have 72. So about half. I still need to figure out where to put my cables, but I think I will end up putting them at the end of the table here. So just a quick update video and just showing almost finished new lab. It's still not a big lab, but it's what I have, and it's pretty sufficient to what I'm gonna do. So I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon for the next video. I have a couple of ideas, so I just need to get some time to get them done. And if you want to make sure that you get notified of the new videos, you can press the little bell next to the subscribe button down there. So see you.